Imagine you or someone you love is in a situation where their safety is threatened. Defender connects to our iPhone or Android app via Bluetooth and features an integrated camera to capture an assailant's picture. Immediately, your location and the photo are sent to the proper authorities. Our 24/7 monitoring service confirms that help is on the way. The small but mighty speaker attracts attention to your situation. Defender includes the highest concentration of pepper spray provided to law enforcement. For self-defense and medical alerts, Defender protects with one push of a button.
Most everybody at one point has suffered from cold feet, whether on their way to work, while walking, skiing, hiking, or even riding their bike or motorcycle. What if you could control the temperature of your shoes with a simple click on your smartphone? What if your smartphone was able to inform you about the distance you've walked and the calories you've burned? With DigitSole, it's now finally possible to do all this and more. DigitSole is the first connected, interactive heated insole which can be controlled with your smartphone. Equipped with a Bluetooth connection and a dedicated application, warming your feet and tracking your day is as easy as a simple click. The DigitSole is very easy to use. Just turn it on, put it in your shoe, and launch the DigitSole application. Now look, choose the temperature by adjusting the slider to the desired setting for each foot. DigitSole also informs you about your daily performance. Just enter your weight and height, and DigitSole tracks your steps, indicates how many calories you have burned, shows you precisely the distance you have walked along with your current altitude. Once the battery has depleted, it can be easily recharged with a simple USB cable. Thanks to our self-regulating thermostat system, the high-cap battery lasts from 7 hours to a few days, depending on how you use it.
Are we ready to shoot?
Yeah, that'd be great. Can you actually turn the light down to your left a little bit? That'd be awesome.
That one?
Yeah, that'd be perfect. You know what? Bring those blinds behind you up a little bit too. That'd be great.
Yeah, no problem.
That's great. All right, everybody settle in.
Hi, I'm Muhammad, co-founder of Platabase, and this is Remo. I came up with the idea for Remo after my dad had had several strokes. He had difficulty doing day-to-day things that he had easily done before. So I wanted to give him a new way to control his world.
Remo is a wristband used to interact with your environment using natural gestures. It's as simple as pointing and waving at the device you want to control. Because we value the input of our users, we brought in a full-time beta tester. We then realized the product could be used for so much more. Bob was our first beta tester.
Hi, Bob.
Bob started by using Remo to control the lights in his house. He then started to discover other devices that Remo could control.
Thanks, Bob.
He even did things with Remo we didn't expect.
Setting up Remo is easy. Place the wireless receiver anywhere. Plug the device you want to control into the receiver smart plug. Point to control your device. Remo is designed to be compatible with leading smart home systems. We're proud to be working with Open Home Labs to make Remo an Open Home certified device. This means Remo will also work seamlessly with over 22 million devices already in US homes, making it even easier for Remo to control the lights, the locks, and even thermostats, so that you can focus more on the things that matter.
Well, crap. No way around it. This sucks. But it's not the end of the world, because I got this little thing. Patch and Ride. It's a new tool that makes having a flat tire suck way less. It's a quick and permanent solution to fix just about any flat. And here's the real kicker. You don't even have to take off the wheel. I used to be just like you, shelling out big bucks for tubes and tires regardless of how bad the damage was. Occasionally, I'd even try it on my own. Maybe you do too if you're into that whole self-punishment thing. Not the cleanest job in the world either. Basically, I murdered my bike. Let me show you how it works. Remove the cap from the Patch and Ride tool. Insert it directly into the hole. Pull back the slider, then push forward. Remove the tool, then pump your tire full of air, and you're up and running, or rolling. And Patch and Ride works for all types of tires. Road bikes, mountain bikes, cruisers, kids bikes, clincher and tubular tubes, even jogging stroller tires. Pretty much anything with an inner tube. Patch and Ride's cleaner for the environment too. With Patch and Ride, you reduce your carbon footprint by patching instead of tossing. That's pretty great. Getting a flat tire sucks, but Patch and Ride makes it suck less. Patch and Ride.
Hi, I'm Jing Zhou. I'm here to introduce you the next-gen bracelet Element. Element is the first jewelry that blends the latest technology with your own unique style. I grew up in China and have lived here in the US. One thing I noticed is that girls in China and girls in the US have so much in common. It's hard to find an accessory can match all our outfits. We can never find our phone. We don't want to be rude and take calls during a date or meeting. But what if it's an emergency? Combining both function and fashion for many situations, we invented Element, a stylish bracelet for women all over the world. We've brought... Need to match that gorgeous dress? Take a picture with the app, and Element's lights will create the perfect color match. You can even design your own patterns. Can't find your phone? Just rub Element. Its sensors and Bluetooth technology will set your phone off. Don't want to miss an important call or text message? Element can let you know and even display customized designs depending on who it is.